Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Fitness. That's Praveen and I'm Mehek here. And today we're going to be doing a really nice, simple and easy breakfast option and scrambled eggs and mushroom. Easy, quick and nutritive.
Yeah. So I can't even think about a day without those egg whites and egg yolks. So the reason being why. So egg has got a good amount of nutrition. It's a complete protein, you know. So when you speak about protein, you need to look into something which is complete protein. So that's a great option. So being said that, if you are a vegetarian, you can change or you can use instead of eggs a paneer or a tofu. So you can still go with it. Let's go.
Let's quickly watch the recipe. 1 teaspoon butter. To that we're going to add mushrooms. That's about 3 mushrooms, 3 to 4 pieces of mushroom. To this we're going to add little salt, a little parsley, and lastly 3 whole whipped eggs. We're going to add cheddar cheese. That's an option. And the eggs Bennett scramble is done. And the healthy eggs Bennett is ready. It's highly nutritive and full of proteins. That is, it completes the amino acid profile. And we combine it with an almond bread, and you could dress it up with some parsley leaves. There we go. So guys, eggs and mushroom scramble is ready.
Yeah.
So they are an easy and quick and healthy breakfast option like we discussed earlier. I advise all of you all to try this and eat this. Why? Because it gives you the complete amino acid profile. It's healthy, it's low in carbohydrate, and yes, it gives you good satiety, and it's a complete meal.
Yeah. Just want to adding up on, just want to add a few more things into it. It has got almond bread, so it gets you good fats and good vitamins and some really good antioxidants. So we made this at home right now. You can see the recipe of the almond bread also.
The link is above.
Exactly. So when you prepare those things at home, it becomes, you generally use less of oil, less of butter kind of stuff, but the moment you go to a restaurant or places like that, they end up using quite a good amount of preparation things like oil or butter or say any things like sugar, like stevia. So you want to keep it as low as possible in these things in the preparation, that you get the results much more faster.
Also, the almond bread prepared at home can be refrigerated and has a shelf life of about 2 to 3 days. So depending on how is it made, so you could make it in advance and keep it for about 2 days and utilize the same.
Exactly. Now, so this is about ketogenic diet plan and it's about intermittent diet plans. So if you know and get a customized diet plan for yourself and a workout plan for yourself, how to transform yourself, you want to go into my website, that's www.bodyprocoach.com. You can see online section, go and take the subscription and you're good to go with the transformation. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.
See you. Thank you.